Hey everybody, this is Rob with AMZ Advisors, and first off, thank you for working with us. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you're happy with the content optimizations that we've done, and now you're looking to upload them, and you're a little bit unsure of where to go and how to process the changes. So this is just going to be a quick little screen share tutorial to walk you through that process. Okay, so here we are at the back end of Amazon. And as you can see, we're on the home page here, and I actually have two tabs open here. The second one, we're going to go to the Manage Inventory tab so that we can pull an ASIN from there when we get to that step to apply our ASINs to the A+ content. So the first thing we want to do is go over Advertising and A+ Content Manager. And from here, what we want to do is click the Start Creating A+ Content. And then from here, we'll do Create Enhanced Product Description. First, you're going to name your content, so usually we'll do ASIN product, so that way we know that it's the which product it is. There's like an abbreviated name for it, and then also the ASIN we can go back and reference. And after that, we want to choose our language as English. And so from here, we can start building out the modules. Now, the copy document and the deliverable that we'll send is going to be a folder filled with all the individual photo assets and the copy document as well. So within the copy document, we'll have all of the modules identified for you. So the first thing you want to do is click this Add Module button, and in the document we'll have these in the bottom of them, the ones that we've used. The majority of them will probably be the standard image header with text. And so what you can do is select all the modules and build them out. In this example, I'm just going to go through and add 6 of these modules. Or you know what, I'll do a couple different ones. We'll do 3 of those. Then we'll do a single standard image left and a single standard image on the right side. Just find that other module on the right side. And then below this we'll do a comparison chart. So we're going to have one more module here. You guys will be able to do all 7 or wherever we landed for the final version. So once you have your templates built out, what you'll do is you could just simply click to add an image, and then from your files, you'll click this button and it will open up and you can find it in your files and you could add it. And then within the copywriting document, we're going to have this image keywords section identified for you. And again, these image keywords are for visually impaired shoppers that have setting enabled to produce audio for the A+ content that they cannot see since they're visually impaired. So these are not going to be keywords that will create indexing for you. What will happen is, for people with that setting enabled, the copy that we put in here will be played in audio so that they can get an understanding of what the picture represents. So once you add your file attachment and your image keywords, you can click this Add button and it will save it. This is going to tell you that they're required. If you don't do that, I'm not going to put anything now, but you'll fill this out with the image keywords. You can click Add and then it should just upload right away. And then you can go through that same process for the rest of these modules. If we have copy for you that's going to go into the text box, it will say text box copy, and it should be obvious which is the header and which is the copy that goes into the actual text box, the subtext. And from here you can use these icons to format it if we did a bulleted list or if we had some bold in there, or a numbered list, whatever the case may be. The same is true for the other images. You'll just click on this, you can drag it or go to your files and upload it. You'll also add the image keywords. And so once you've built out this whole thing, the comparison chart will probably be the last thing you do, and you can add those image files in there. You'll have to pull the ASIN of each product you're going to link to. You can add a title, which will be in the copy document, and then from here we're able to add up to 10 metrics, and so we can go through and add as many as we used. And the next box over here, for all of these, for each product, you can either do nothing, a check mark, or text. So if you see a check mark in the mockup, that would just be this one. And then for here we can say, like, if it's 8 grams, if we're talking about something that's a supplement, it has protein or whatever it is, maybe we'll say protein here, and then instead of text on this one, maybe it will be like 12 grams. Whatever the case may be, that would be how you fill out the comparison chart metrics. Okay, and once you've put in all of the content here, the next thing you want to do is click the next button here to apply your ASINs, and you could search for your ASINs here. So what I'm going to do is go, that's why I have this separate window open. We can go over here and I'm just going to grab a random ASIN that I don't think we have A+ content for on this account. And you can plug this in and it will populate the product here for you. And then what you'll do is it will show that you've chosen this product, and you can click this apply content button. It's going to tell me that I guess we have A+ on this product already, so it's going to override this. I don't want to do that, so I'm just going to cancel it because we already have A+ content there. But once you add the ASIN, it will come down to this applied ASINs section here, and all the ASINs that you want the content applied to will be populated in this area. So for example, if it's a product, something in apparel that has a bunch of different size and color variations, you'll put the parent ASIN in, and then it will bring all of the children. You can apply the page to all of the children there. All right, so after you've applied your ASINs, the next thing you want to do is click next to review and submit it. Obviously, I'm getting errors right now because I left this whole thing blank, but if you have it all filled out, you can review it and you'll be able to preview. You can see that I just have this couple of inputs here from the chart that I put in, and you can see that there's no products applied. You could also preview it on mobile if you want. It will show you what that setup's going to look like. And then after that, you can just click submit for approval. And once you click submit for approval, it's going to give you like a 72-hour, I think, window where it might be in review. And that's it. So once it's been submitted, you can go back to the home page, and it will populate in this column here, and it will say in review until it's approved. And if it's rejected for whatever reason, then we'll have to go back and maybe make some revisions and changes so that we can get the content approved. All right, so that's how you would upload A+ content through the back end of Seller Central. All right, so thanks again for working with us. And remember, if you guys have any more content optimization needs, you can just go straight to our website, amzadvisers.com, and you can just place another order there, and we'll be happy to work for you. Outside of that, we also have advertising services on Amazon, DSP services off Amazon. We have video production and a bunch of other services, so you guys can come to our website if you need help with anything Amazon related, and you can browse around, you can schedule a call, and we're looking forward to working with you more in the future. Thanks again. Bye-bye.